Hello guys, so we're gonna perform downhill parking. So pull over first, mirror, signal and blind spot. Pull over to the right side. After that, wait for examiner. Examiner is gonna tell you downhill parking. So we have downhill parking with curb, downhill parking without curb, and uphill parking no curb. The wheel goes to the right side, full right. So downhill parking and uphill parking, no need to touch the curb. Park and handbrake, park and handbrake. And if examiner asks you downhill parking with the curb, so we need to touch the curb for exam purpose, for safety reason. So you can touch the curb a little bit, don't touch hardly, okay. Then park and handbrake. So this is downhill parking. So how you gonna go back? How you gonna leave? First of all, reverse and put handbrake down. So go back a little bit. Okay, now straighten the wheel. Mirror, signal and blind spot. Drive, don't forget to drive all the way to the left. Then we are moving now. Guys, as I mentioned, so if you don't touch the curb during the exam time, also that's okay. In some places, examiner is gonna accept that. But if you say that I'm a professional driver, I know how to touch the curb slowly, I know how to leave very well, safely, then you can touch the curb. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like our videos, and see you in the next video.